Hey, welcome back to the channel. Now today, I'm gonna give you a little treat. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of Zenith Fit, just a little bit. Not the polished Zenith Fit you see before you right now, but the truth about how this all started. Because there was a point in my life where my confidence was genuinely rock bottom on the floor. Couldn't get any lower. And rebuilding it wasn't some sort of motivational movie moment that you'll see all the time on social media. It was pretty messy, it was slow, but it did change my entire life. So let's get into it, yeah? Now before Zenith Fit existed, I was in a weird place in life, to be honest. My football career had ended at a very young age, and I don't think people realise just how much of your identity is wrapped up into something until it just buggers off and disappears. One day, you're an athlete, you're confident in your routine, part of a team. That was me anyway. The next day, I was sat there thinking, who the fuck am I actually now? My confidence dropped massively. My structure disappeared completely, and my training just went all over the place. Mentally, I felt like I was slipping, but I didn't have the awareness at the time because I was a young kid to realise it. From the outside, I probably looked absolutely fine and dandy. On the inside, not so much. The turning point wasn't some dramatic movie scene where you look in the mirror and you say to yourself, right, this is it, this is time to change. It wasn't like Rocky 5, nothing like that. It was more like I woke up one morning and just thought, I've had enough of doing this. This can't be it, I'm better than this. I need some direction in my life. So I started small. I started lifting weights again, I started walking a bit more, maybe going for the odd run, just getting my nutrition back under a bit of control. Stopped drinking as much as well. Just tried to rebuild my habits rather than chasing the perfect scenario. And with each tiny win, my confidence did start to shift a little bit. Not because my body was changing instantly, but because I started doing what I said I was gonna do. And this is the part that people really do misunderstand. Confidence doesn't just get sparked up out of nowhere. You don't sit around waiting for it to return, or even waiting for it to be created. Confidence is built by stacking evidence. Evidence that you're the type of person that takes action. Evidence that you follow through with the shit you say you're gonna do. Evidence that you can handle more than you give yourself credit for. And honestly, rebuilding mine came from most of the boring stuff, you know, just showing up for workouts, eating meals that actually did fuel my body properly, and keeping promises to myself. Not letting one bad day turn into a bad month, which is what a hell of a lot of people do. You'd be surprised how quickly your life can change when you stop negotiating with yourself. Zenith Fit did not start as a business idea. It started as a bit of a personal rescue mission, to be honest. And as I got myself out of that rut, something started to click, and I realized to myself, if I've struggled with this, the loss of identity, the lack of structure, the feeling stuck, then it's probably a lot of people feeling exactly the same thing. So I started a bit of coaching, nothing fancy to begin with, just helping people build more structure, build confidence, and actually feel good in their bodies again. And the crazy thing about this is the exact lessons that pulled me out of that slump, those are the foundations of Zenith Fit today, right now. Discipline, simple habits, clarity, support, identity work. The confidence to take control of your life again. Zenith wasn't created to help people get shredded for Ibiza. It was created for people who wanted to feel like themselves again. So here's the truth about rebuilding my confidence and creating Zenith Fit. It wasn't any form of talent at all. It wasn't motivation, it wasn't a miracle moment. It was a decision backed by boring consistency. The kind of consistency that nobody sees. The kind that doesn't look sexy on Instagram. The kind that builds you into somebody you're truly proud of. And if you're in that place right now, feeling a bit lost, a bit stuck, feeling like your confidence is nowhere to be seen, I can promise you this, okay? You are not broken. You are not behind. You're just one decision away from starting an amazing rebuild. If I can do it, genuinely, so can you. Trust me on that. And that's exactly why Zenith Fit exists, to guide people back to the strongest version of themselves, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Now, if this has resonated with you, just drop the video a like, subscribe to the channel would be amazing, and let me know in the comments where you're currently at on your journey. I love hearing this stuff. And if you want more videos around confidence, habits, and rebuilding your body and mindset, they're all coming, and go and check out the others in my channel right now. Thank you very much for watching. Go check out the links in my bio if you're interested in any kind of coaching program or just some of the free stuff as well, and I'll see you in the next video.